Howdy, let's do the Alix Earle lash routine. I'm so excited to try this. I got all my stuff from eCosmetics. I am ready to go in on this. I have been a lash girly my entire life. Like, I've been obsessed, addicted to an eyelash curler since like age 4. So I concur when Alix says that you want to get one that does not touch when you squeeze so that it gives enough like bounce to hold the curl, and you want to like really get uncomfortable with it. Like, lay this part on your eyelid, get as close to the base of your eyelash as possible, and like literally squeeze and bounce it as many times as you can bear to do it without your eyes watering like a lot, especially when the sun is hitting. It's so watery. I mean, the difference with curled versus uncurled lashes is astounding, especially with a fresh tint like this. But it is Friday. My boyfriend and I are gonna go to the mall, so I'm gonna do a little mascara moment. Also, I've really been trying to like balance my hormones and stuff, and eating breakfast within an hour of waking is like the key. I'm terrible at it, so don't mind me while I just eat some blueberries. 333, make a wish. In true Alix Earle fashion, I've got the girls the way they need to be. So let's go in with the lashes. Okay, for one thing, this packaging. Oh my god, it literally looks like water drops. So I also agree with Alix, a waterproof mascara is the key to holding a curl. I'm super scared because I never try new mascaras, and here we go. Just gonna go in. Okay, so far I love the brush. It's not going on like too thick or clumpy, so slay. Okay, so this is like 1.5 coats of the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara by Too Faced, and I'm already obsessed. So I never like layer my mascara, but Alix Earle God says to go in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash as your second coat. I swear, I've also perfected the art of putting on my mascara with my mouth closed. Try me. Amazing. Okay, now for the last step, the white waterline, which is literally something I never do because I feel like I have a pretty good eye white like an egg white. So I'm honestly not entirely sold on the white waterline, but this is the final